Okay, now we are going to discuss magnetic moment of current carrying circular coil. We know that whenever the current is passing through a circular coil, the magnetic field produced on the axis of the coil at a distance x from the center of the coil is B is equal to mu naught Ni r square divided by 2 into r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. This is the expression for the magnetic field on the axis of the circular coil. So, we know that here x is very much greater than r. X is a distance of a point from the center of the circular coil. R is only radius. So, by comparing x with r, x is very much greater than r. So, that here what we write here, r should be neglected. R is neglected. R is neglected in denominator. R is neglected in denominator. What we write here, B is equal to mu naught Ni r square by 2 x cube. R is neglected, here x square, 2 cancel x cube. Multiply and divided this fraction with 2 pi. So, B is equal to mu naught Ni r square into 2 pi divided by 2 pi into 2 pi, 2 pi into 2, 4 pi x cube. 4 pi x cube. Now, rearrange the terms. So, here we write mu naught Ni, okay, and also pi r square, put bracket up to this words 2 divided by 4 x cube. This is equation 1. But if we take magnet, if we consider magnet, this is a magnet, okay, and this is axial line, and this is at a distance. We want to find out magnetic field on the axial line of the bar magnet. What is the answer here? B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2m by x cube. This is the answer. That means this coil behaves like a bar magnet. Whenever the current is passing through this coil behaves like a bar magnet. So, by comparing this 1 and 2 equation, mu naught, 4 pi, x cube, in place of 2, here 2, here 2. In place of m, magnetic moment, what are the terms here? Ni pi r square. So, by comparing 1 and 2, so m is equal to what we write here, Ni pi r square. So, m is equal to Ni, pi r square means what? Area of the coil. M is equal to Nia. This is the expression for the magnetic moment of a circular coil. M is equal to Nia. From this expression, we opted one unit, magnetic moment unit, that is ampere meter square. Ampere meter square. So, this is the expression for the magnetic moment of current carrying circular coil. M is equal to Nia. N is nothing but what? Number of turns. I is current passing through the coil. A is nothing but what? Area of the coil. So, now we are going to derive what is the force acting on the current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Now, this is a conductor of PQ whose length is nothing but L. So, whenever this conductor, current carrying conductor, current is passing through the conductor from P to Q, which is placed in a magnetic field at an angle theta. Current means what? The rate of flow of charges. So, all the charges are in the conductor moving from point P to Q in time t seconds. We know that whenever a charge is moving with a velocity v in a magnetic field, definitely it experiences a force, magnetic force. So here every charge experiences a magnetic force. So how much magnetic force is experienced by that charge? Fm is equal to, we know that, qvb sin theta. When charge is moving in a magnetic field, definitely it experiences a force. When charge is at rest, it does not experience any force in a magnetic field. So Fm is equal to qvb sin theta here. F is equal to M means the magnetic force. Here V is the velocity of the charge. Each charge in a conductor is moving from point P to Q, okay, in the conductor with a velocity V. So each charge experiences a force, magnetic force. Let us consider one charge Q. The magnetic force is experienced by that charge. Fm is equal to qvp sin theta. Now we know that here Q into what is V? Velocity of the charge. Velocity is nothing but total length traveled by the charge by time. So L by T P sin theta. So F is equal to Q by T L B sin theta. Rate of flow of charge, Q by T, that is nothing but I. So F is equal to I L B sin theta. Okay, this can be written as F is equal to I into L bar cross B bar. This is the force experienced by the current carrying conductor which is placed in a magnetic field. This is also important question in this moving charges and magnetism. Okay.